So Bridget, we're going to try one more with you. I think you had this one written down. If a number divided by -7 is increased by 42, the result is 63. So again, for me, when I don't understand something, I'm more about trial and error. Just kind of playing with it a little bit. So I know that what I'm looking for is a number. So we're trying to find this number. And we know that I can use X or N or Y, whatever letter you want to represent that. It's our unknown, if you will. Now, before I get all abstract with unknowns, I'm just going to try to think of a number that I can divide by -7. One that jumps out to me is like a -14. I'm sorry, or just look at a 14. Let's just say let X equal a 14. Try that again. Let X equal 14. So with trial and error, I'm going to say 14 is my number. So 14 is being divided by -7. It's then increased by 42. And I have to get then 63. So because my result is 63. In other words, my answer has to be 63. Let's see if 14 was the number. 14 divided by -7 is a -2. -2 plus 42. That's not going to equal 63. That's only going to be 40. And 40 does not equal 63. But by doing it kind of concretely, I'm picking up on a pattern here. The 14 is what I chose for X. That means that X can go in for 14, and I can write an equation for that. So my equation is going to be X divided by -7 plus 42 has to equal 63. Now if I solve this for X, I know the 42's got to zero out. So I have X divided by -7. That has to equal, looks like a -21. And then if we see division, we know we have to use multiplication there. So I'm going to multiply this side by -7, as long as I multiply this side by a -7. So the -7's will divide out, and X is going to equal -21 times -7. So 21 times 7 looks like 147. And we know a negative times negative is a positive, so X has to be 147. So it looks to me like if X is 147, 147 divided by -7 plus 42, that has to equal 63. It looks like 147 divided by -7, that's going to be a -21. So it looks like I've got, actually this should have been a positive 21 there, shouldn't it? Yeah. So I should actually have a -147. Because the bigger number is positive, so that should be a positive 21. So that actually makes this a -147. That's looking a little bit better. A negative divided by negative is going to give me a positive 21. 21 plus 42, that's going to equal then 63. That is checking out. So that's why it's always kind of a good idea to check your answers, because it could be as simple as just losing a sign like I just did. So hopefully that'll get you going on some of these word problems. And just stay tuned. Let me know what else I can help you with. Hopefully these helped you. You have a good day.